Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today's video is part of a collaboration called Jarred Up January, and there's 11 of us awesome YouTubers doing canning videos for the month of this January. Mine's going to be on Mrs. Wage's pizza sauce, and I'm going to be waterbath canning it using my Ball electric waterbath canner to waterbath the jars. Alright, let me bring you a little closer and show you how I do this. Okay, so on the back of the recipe, it calls for 6 pounds of fresh tomatoes or 18 medium ones, or 6 cans of 14.5 ounces of petite or diced regular or low sodium tomatoes drained. I went with a number 10 can of this ground tomato and heavy puree. Oh, it smells amazing. And I took out 20 ounces, and that'll equal up the same amount of the 6 cans. So also it calls for 5 tablespoons of sugar, which I got here in this pouch of Mrs. Wage's pizza mix. So I'm using my 8.5 quart Teflon pan, and it's a non-stick pan. It's a really nice pan to heat up sauces and stuff in. So I'm going to put the tomato crushed puree tomatoes in here. And I'll scrape that out in a minute. And it says add your sugar, and then add the powdered pizza stuff in there. Alright, I'm going to scrape out the pan really good, and I'll be back and put you closer so you can see how I'm doing this. Okay, so I scraped out the pan really well. Now it says to mix everything really well. I'm using a whisk. And then it says once it comes up to a boil, you simmer it for 25 minutes. And then your pizza sauce is all done. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. So once I get this up to a boil, and you got to stir occasionally, you can't just let it sit there and burn, you know, not stir it every now and then because it will scorch your tomatoes, so you don't want to do that. And I'm cooking it on a medium heat again. I don't know if I said that already. Alright, oh my goodness, it smells good. Alright, I'll be back when I get it up to a medium boil. Put the lid on it. Alright, so she's at a rapid boil, but I'm going to just keep stirring it now. I got my timer set for 25 minutes, because if I don't, it splatters everywhere. So 25 minutes, we'll start jarring this up. Alright, look at how beautiful that sauce got, nice and dark and rich. Got to be careful, wear a shirt that you don't care about, because it spits. Even when you whisk the heck out of it, it does spit everywhere. It's like a llama, it spits. Alright, here I have my paper towel, my vinegar, I have my funnel, my lids and rings. I'm going to get my jar. We'll do one jar together, and then I will bring you back when they're done filled. Alright, let's get the jars. This is the Ball electric canner. I've got the jars all nice and heated up inside, and I'm using 4-ounce jars. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to take one out at a time, drain it, and then fill it up and put it back in. Alright, here is my 4-ounce jar. Put my little lid there. Now on here, we're going to go right up to here, which is your capacity that you need to can this up. Try not to make a mess. I believe 1 scoop will do ya. Yep, hook that there. I'm going to run my spoon in like a debubbler. That there. Over. Wipe down the jars. Ouch. Alright, you wipe down the lid good, you put the ring on finger tight, and that is my first jar. I'll get the rest filled and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got 21 4-ounce jars in there total. I do got a little tray over the top of the bottom level of 12. And there is 2 inches of water, oops, sorry about that, over the top of the jars. And with these, you put this on there, and that helps it from boiling over so much. Put your lid on, and then we turn it to canning dial back there. Can you see it right there? So it's going to come to a quick rapid boil. Once that does, I will set the timer for 40 minutes, and we'll be back when it's time to pull the jars out. All right, the timer just went off. Let's see how they look. Put it away from us. I really do love this Waterbath canner. All right. Can you see? It's kind of dark in here. Let me see if I can put you closer. Can you see how pretty it is? Probably not. The reason I use these little jars is because it's just husband and I, and we use them for dipping and, you know, for like snacks and stuff, like I said earlier. But I got 21 jars out of there, so, oh, and they look beautiful. All right, everyone. Don't forget to go over to Paul's Rule of Thumb next. And don't forget to check out the links below to check all the people in the collaboration. I want to thank you for stopping by. As always, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.